They The summit.
Hong Kahamo, DTADC administration ni pokho theke ang jotonono hambai jotonono khulungkha. On this historic day, we are now conducting oath-taking ceremony for Chief Executive Member and other executive members. As per Constitution of India, 166 Sub-Rule 1 Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985, His Excellency the Governor of Tripura has appointed G.K. Rao, Administrator of TTADC, to administer oath or affirmation to the newly elected members of District Council. So, I will call upon first CM will take oath. As CM has been already elected in the first meeting, and it is known by everybody who is CM. So we have brought here, and he is sitting on the stage. Others member whom CM has selected, I will call upon their name one by one. Now first, Suhel Deborma has been selected as executive member. So I request Suhel Deborma to come over and take off. Oh, sorry. First, I call upon Purnachandra Jamatia, who has been elected already as Chief Executive Member, to come here and take out.
Ang Mesang Purnachandra Jamatia Matai ni Manggai Semai Tanggai Sajawo Khak Rakhe Poito Naragai Semai Tanggai Sajawo Ang Barat Elembak ni Bisingte Khaja Kerongno Poito Kubuite Khorok Bomoi Sajawo Ang Barat ni Phan Keplai Te Pathalai Mungno Khapang Khulasa Khlaioi Khlai Horoi Tongnai Anobok Jak Achok Phang Tipra Samolok Bai Thangnai Koljak Hangkor Koksap Nogni Sari Phang Adong Okra Ni Samungno Bebak Ni Pagai Keboni Bekha Koyawai Eba Kirima Kuri Khlaioi Eba Baksano Sajakma Te Baksano Sajagya Khlayawi Eba Kebono Khorok Sabai Gedalui Eba Khojagui Samungno Tanglak Hangkor Koksa Nogni Jarphang Adong Okra Angui Kerongni Bisingti Ano Samung Yapar Jagmani Eba Ang Saiman Makhe Samungno Tangpro Kebo Bai Dadak Sidak Eba Kok Rekewi Sajaglak.
Thank you. CM Ot Nabaikya Tabo Angkoyo Suhel Debormano Oro Bhaina Bagai এবং Ot Nana Bagai. Mr. Suhel Deborma. Aro ising ito.
Ang Mocha Suhel de Burma Kaitoni Mungui Sumai Tangi Shazao Kakrake Poitunargui Sumai Tangi Shazao Ang Barod Elembag ni Bishintei Kazak Kerano Poitu Kubuiti Khorok Bumi Shazao Ang Barod ni Fan Kublai Te Kathalai Mungno Kapang Kulasa Klai Hori Tongnai Ano Bokzak Achukrem Tripura Tiprasa Baithang Naikolzak Hangkor Koksap Nogni Charifang Adong Okra Charifang Adong ni Shamungno Bebag ni Bagui Keboni Bukha Koyawi Eba Kirima Kri Klai Eba Bakshana Sajak Mate Baksano Saje Klayawi Eba Kebono Khoroksa Bai Gedalei Eba Hujagui Shamuno Tanglak Hangkor Kokchap Nogni Charifang Adong Okra Eba Charifang Adong Ungui Kerongni Bishiti Ano Samung Yafarzakmani Eba Ang Saiman Ki As Samungno Tangfur Kebo Bai Dadak Sidak Eba Kok Rekawi Shaglak Hambai
Yang Tabuk Executive Member Ngkha Doli Riang Angbono Koyo Oropai Sobor Nana Bagi
I, Srimati
Doliria, do swear in the name of God solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will hold up the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as Chief Executive Member for the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as Chief Executive Member for the foresaid District Council, except as may be required for the discharge of my duties as such Chief Executive Member. Thank you.
We'll fill up later. Just circulate inside. Only signature करो, बाद हम लोग fill up करते हैं.
Ang Muchang
Ang Musang Rajas Tripura Kaitone Mungoi Semai Tangoi Sajao Kakarake Poito Narugoi Semai Tangoi Sajao Ang Barot Elem Bagni Bisingtoi Khazak Kerong No Poito Kuboi Te Khorok Bongoi Sajao Ang Barot Me Phangkor Plai Te Kathalai Mung No Khapang Khulasa Klayoi Horoi Tongnai Ano Bokjak Asokrem Tripura Tiprasa Mulok Baithang Naikoljak Hangkor Kokjap Nokni Charifang Adongni Samungno Bebakni Bagoi Keboni Bukha Koyaoi Eba Kirima Koroi Khlai Eba Baksano Chajakma Te baksano chajaya klayawoi eba kebono khorok sabai gdalai eba huijagoi samungno tangla hangkor kokchap nokni eba sarifong adong ongoi kerongni bisingtei ano samung yafarjak mani eba ang saimangke a samungno tangfuru kebobai dadak sijak eba kok rekoi saglap
Dalai hambai Korok chini Hainai salni chini neta role model Korok 13 lokho tibrasano salongnai Chairman sijak tunggo oblique EM ba EM in sadita bisa kampan
Pang Muchang,
Ang Muchang, Boboranjan Riang, Kaitoni Mongoi, Sumai Tangui Sajao, Kakurake Poito, Narugois, Sumai Tangui Sajao, Ang Barot, Ilembagni, Bisingtui, Hagjak, Kerong no, Poito Kubui, Te, Korok Bomui, Sajao, Ang Barotni, Pan Kuplai, Te, Kutalai Mong, no, Kafang Kulasa, Klaiwi, Horoi Tungnai, Angno Bagjak, Achogram, Tipra Songduk Mulok, Baitang, Naikoljak, Hangkor, Kokchap Nokni, Charipang, Adongni, Samung, Bebagni Bagui, Keboni, Bukha, Koyawi, Eba, Kirima Kurui, Klaiwi, Eba, Baksano, Chajagma Te, Baksano, Chajagya, Klayawi, Eba, Kebono, Khorok Sabai, Gudalui, Eba, Hoijagui, Samungno Tanglak, Hangkor Kokchap Nokni, Charifang, Adung Ongwei, Kerongni, Bisingtui, Ang Samung Yafarjak, Mani Iba, Ang Simon Ke, Os Samungno, Tangfruk, Kebobai, Dadak Sidak, Iba Kok, Rikui, Songlak, Hambai.
Hambai Nonobo
just Pang Muchang.
Ang Muchang Univel Deborman, Kaitoni Mungai, Samaitangi Sajao, Kakrakhe Puitunaragay, Samaitangi Sajao, Ang Bharot, Elembagni Bisingte, Kazak Karongno, Puitu Kubuite, Korok Bomui Sajao, Ang Bharotni, Pankaplaite, Kathalai Mungno, Kapang Khulasa Klai, Horui Tongnai, Ano Bokjak, Achukrem, Tripura, Tiprasa Muluk Baithang, Naikoljak, Hangkor Kokchap Nokni, Charifang Adungni, Samungno, Bebagni Bagi, Kebuni Bekha, Koyawi, Eba, Kirima, Geri, Klai, Eba Baksano, Chajagma, Te Baksano, Chajagya, Klai, एबा केबनो खरक साबाय गोदालै एबा हुइजागै सामुंनो तांलाक हांखर ककजाब नकनी जारिफां आदंगै केरंनि बिसिंतै आनो सामुं याफारजागमानि एबा आं साइमानखे आ सामुंनो तांफुरु केबोबाय दादाक सिदाक एबा कक रेकेवै सागलाक हामबाय
Ang Muchang,
ang mojang Chittaranjan Deborma kaitoni bungoi sumai tangoi sajao kha krakhe oito nargoi sumai tangoi sajao ang Bharat Alembagni bisingtui khaja kerangno oito kubui tei khorok bomoi sajao ang भारतनि फान कुप्लाय तै गोथां लाइमुंनो खाफां खुलासा खालायै हरै दंनाय आनो बगजाक आचुग्रेम त्रिपुरा संदुक मलाव बायथां नायकलजाक हांकर ककजाब नकनि चारिफां आदंनि सामुंनो बेबाकनि बागै केबोनि बखा कोयावै एबा किरिमा गरै ख्लाय एबा बाक्सानो चाजाकमा ताई बाक्सानो चाजाकिया ख्लायावै एबा केबोनो खरकसाबाय गोदालै एबा हुइजागै सामुंनो तांलाक हांकर ककजाब नकनि चारिफां आदं अंगै केरंनि बिसिंतै आं सामुं याफार जाकमानि एबा आं साइमानखे आ सामुंनो तांख्रु केबोबाय दादाक सिदाक एबा कक रेकवै सागलाक
Ang Muchang,
ang mojang komol koloi kaitoni mungoi samai tangai sajao khakra khe poitonargoi samai tangai sajao ang Bharat Alembagni bisingtei khaja kerongno poitoko boitei khorok bomoi sajao ang Bharatni phan koplaitei kathalai mungno khafang khulasa khlai हरै दंनाय आनो बगजाक आचग्रेम त्रिपुरा सामुलक बायथां नायकलजाक हांकर ककजाब नकनि चारिफां आदंनि सामुंनो बेबाकनि बागै केबोनि बखा कोयावै एबा किरिमा गरै खलाय एबा बाक्सानो चाजाकमाते बाक्सानो चाजागिया खलायावै एबा केबोनो खरक साबाय गोदालै एबा हुइजागै सामुंनो तांलाक हांकर ककजाब नकनि चारिफां आदं अंगै केरंनि बिसिंतै आनो सामुं याफारजाकमानि एबा आं साइमानखे आ सामुंनो तांफुरो केबोबाय दादाक सिदाक एबा कक रेकेवै सागलाक जतनन हामबाय
borongno kumala kumrioi boron khainadi. Then this ceremonial function is concluded, and I request all the guests, leaders, peoples, dignitary personalities, whoever attended this occasion to remain seated. And I request, as the ceremonial constitutional occasion function is over, I do request Bubakra, Member Kumar Jamatia, Tribal Affairs Minister, and other dignitaries to come over the stage and take seat. Now no bhar, because it was for executive member and CM only. Now that constitutional event is over, so please, Bubakra, members and other dignitaries. Okay then. Okay. Borno Risha Mumbai Bolkai Ride Nade Abuni Pore volunteers of no Ankoyo Borno Kisha Tipini Bebosta Kaimani Abo Bagi.